Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share any large file from your laptop to PC or PC to laptop. So first open up your search bar. As you can see, click on search bar and then type here control panel and then click on open up control panel and then click on network and internet and then click on network and sharing. Click on that and then as you can see, change advanced sharing setting. Click on that and then make sure these options are turned on. Network discovery turn on, file and printer sharing turn on, and then click on public network and make sure these two also turn on and then click on all network and if password protected sharing is turned off and then just let it be. Don't turn on this. Just let it be turn off. And then public folder sharing. Turn on this and then just close this. And after that, open a file explorer and then select the file that you want to share from your laptop to PC. Just right click on that file and then click on more, show more options and then click on give access to. Click on that and then click on specific people. And here you can see little icon here, click on that and then select everyone and after that just click on add and click on this little icon here, change the permission level, click on that and then select read and write. Make sure permission level is read and write and then just click on share button and then click on next and then click on done. So now if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi or same network connection, then from another device you can access this file. So as you can see, now I am here on my desktop. Just click on this PC, open up this PC and then click on network and you will get this error message. Just click on OK and then right click on this. Click to change here. Right click on this and turn on network discovery and file sharing. So as you can see, I got access to my laptop. So as you can see, I got access to my laptop and I'm able to see this video that I just gave access. So now if you want to save this video on your desktop, just right click on it and click on copy and then just right click on it and then just paste it here. So as you can see, we can access this video now. If you want to stop giving access, then just open your this PC or file explorer and then find out that video or file that you just shared. Just right click on that and click on show more options and then click on give access to and then just click on remove access and after that no one can access this file. Thank you so much for watching and please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.